Hitesh, just a small review from you. So you have done how many grafts?
4,000.
4,000 grafts in April 2016, right?
Correct.
Yeah, the hairline looks good, right?
Yeah.
It's how many months now? Like April, May, June, July, August,
7,
September,
8.
October, November. Yeah, it's like 7-8 months.
Correct.
Okay, post the transplant, you will have at least 50% more growth. Now we are going for the crown area, right?
Correct.
For another 2,000. Although you require 4,000 more for central scalp and this. Okay, how was the experience with us at Anagen?
Good. So
Good,
far,
results
so
were also fine.
Yeah.
Oh, you had come through a reference?
Yes.
Okay, your friend also got some good results.
Yeah.
What would you like to say others who want to do hair transplant?
Go for it. It's good.
Good,
You'll
no?
get
Okay,
your
okay.
young look back.
Young look back. Now, how old are you?
27.
27. Okay, what do you do professionally?
I'm studying MBA.
Okay, great. So, thank you so much for your time. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hair loss is a common medical condition that can affect up to 70% of men and 40% of women.
So, long time.
Yes,
It's
it's been a
like-
long time.
Yes, now
But it's
11
not that long.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay.
So it was like a journey together, right, with the team.
That's right.
Right. Yeah, we started yesterday. How many grafts have you put on the hairline?
About 1,000.
Yeah. Are you happy with the hairline?
I'm very happy. Yes.
Okay. तो आप एक अच्छी सी स्टोरी कैसा लग रहा है कि आप कितने महीने हो गए मतलब करीब 8-9 महीने ना जनवरी से देखो तो 8 महीने राइट 8 महीने हो गए काफी अच्छा है ना अभी थोड़ा वो भी
100%.
प्लस इन बिटवीन जब तक ट्रांसप्लांट नहीं हो रहा उसका भी आइडिया मैंने आपको दिया है ना
Yes, sir.
हेयरलाइन ठीक लग रहा है आपको
Very good.
So, Mr. Sagar, can you just share some of your experience regarding how many grafts you have done and where have you come from to Anagen Clinic, Mumbai, and what do you have to say about the procedure?
I came from Pune and
Yeah.
I've put in 5,000 grafts. It was a very good experience.
Yeah.
And very good headline doctor have done.
You're happy with the hairline?
Yes.
Okay. Any pain during the procedure?
While procedure it was there, but after doing procedure there was no pain.
You're planning to put 5,000 more maybe
Yeah.
from your body and also it's permanent. You're not married and planning to be married, looking a full, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Hairline, fading line at the temples, density increasing, and at least 5-degree angle over here. Okay, let's get it done this side. Look at the temporal points correction. Look at the temporal, front temporal, this angle. Okay, then you can look on this side. The hairline, absolutely fine sentinel hairs, then singles, then clusters of singles, then comes twos. Look at the angles. Look at the angles of the temple parts. Fading hairline, fading line at the temples. Density increasing, and at least 5-degree angle over here.